Hello, Cara. Tell me a bit what's going on.
So we have our Kubota Showcase Event on today from 9 to 6. We have lots of offers on show today. We have 10% off all service boop today. We have 0% finance on all tractors over 5 years. We have a free first service on any GR1600s purchase today as well.
Can you tell me a bit about the GR1600, please?
Yeah, the GR1600 is a 13.5 horsepower 2-cylinder diesel engine. It's got a 42-inch cutting deck. It's PTO driven. This mower is kitted out with the ROP safety frame. The GR1600 has got a very wide chute there at the back compared to your standard petrol mower. Wee area there for seeing down into your chute. There's a lever there for clearing out your chute if you do happen to get any brass clogged in there. The GR1600 has a dedicated fuel entry point there, so it's not located beside your hot engine, which is a very good feature of the GR16. It also has your fuel gauge point there as well.
So, Cara, tell me a bit more about the finance.
So we have finance deals there across all of our lawnmowers. We also have a wide range of second-hand lawnmowers up in our sales yard. We have anything there from 13.5 horsepower lawnmowers right up to 50 horsepower diesel lawnmowers, all available to see here in our Kubota Showcase event.
And what about the service?
So we have a dedicated service team there who looks after all the Kubota servicing. There's actually a deal on the GR range where you get your first service free within your first year of 50 hours. So that's a great deal that can be got over this weekend. So everyone is welcome to come in and view all our machines. Great opportunity to come in and see our full Kubota range. So hope to see you all in here.